Hello, I'm Shannon and welcome to my channel. This is my boyfriend Brian, and today we're gonna be cooking and we're gonna make cauliflower alla vodka. So it's like penne alla vodka but with cauliflower instead, and chicken and vegetables. So the first thing that we have to do is blanch the cauliflower, which apparently just means to like boil it. So we have it all broken up and in this pot, and Brian's gonna put it on the stove. The next thing we have to do is make the vodka sauce. So we went and bought ourselves some Tito's. Oh, we also need to preheat the oven to 375. So it says, in a large skillet over medium heat, heat oil, add onion and cook until soft 5 minutes. Oh man. You want to chop the onion?
Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna make Brian chop the onion. I'll chop the garlic, I'll mince the garlic. He doesn't like doing that either. Brian did the hard part that nobody wants to do. Brian decided to open up our champagne that we just bought at the grocery store. Or not champagne, Prosecco. But we tried it and it was really good, and it was $3 off. So we couldn't pass up a good deal. Plus, you gotta have a drink while you're cooking, right, Brian?
Right.
So now we have to add our onion and our garlic to our skillet and cook them until they're soft for 5 minutes. Brian doesn't like when I do that thing. He gets embarrassed. Now you want to strain the cauliflower, boil it, drain it, submerge it in a bowl of ice water. Now we have to add our crushed tomatoes. This is one 28-ounce can, and this is, oh, this is 28 ounces. This is the can we needed.
Yeah.
We were at the grocery store and I was like, why are there no small cans that are crushed? But we need this whole thing anyway. And then we have to add the vodka, crushed red pepper, and then heavy cream. It's gonna be so good. A third a cup of vodka, 2 shots of vodka. Do you know what video I'm talking about? You've never seen that video? Brian, it's so funny. It's that woman and she's like talking about pouring 2 shots of vodka, but she pours like half the bottle at once. Wow, we have all this leftover vodka. What are we gonna do with it, Brian?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Yeah, I think we should just dump this in the sink because we have no other use for it. So here we go. Big boy. Ooh. I made the mistake of pouring it over here. Yum.
What, a half cup?
Yeah. Alright, this cauliflower is pretty iced now. Is it hot?
Well.
Mmm. That's really good.
Nailed it.
We did nail it. So now we're gonna put our sauce in our baking pan with all the cauliflower. You can never have too much cheese. All right, while Brian finishes that up, I'm gonna put the chicken in, and I'm literally just using like the frozen chicken breast from Trader Joe's because those are the best. And then I also just have asparagus from Trader Joe's that's frozen, and I'm just gonna microwave that with some water. While we're waiting for all this stuff to cook, I thought it would be fun if we did the girlfriend tag, because we already did the boyfriend tag.
We're gonna start with this one.
Okay.
We're going out to eat. Where are we going?
See, like, there's a long list of options here for you, I feel like. Anywhere with sweet potato fries, that's for sure. But also, I don't know, Chipotle, or we haven't gone to Texas Roadhouse, but you're dying to go to Texas Roadhouse.
It's tough because you can't have peanuts.
I know, there's peanuts everywhere and I'm allergic.
Alright, that's sufficient.
What would you have said?
Probably Chipotle.
Okay, see, I was
Or
right.
anywhere with Mexican food.
Or sweet potato fries.
What's one food I don't like?
Well, you don't really like pickles unless they're fried.
I'm talking like a meal though. What's something I won't eat?
Oh.
Funny enough, a lot of Catholics specifically only eat it this time of year.
Oh, I mean fish?
Oh yeah, of course. Fuck fish.
Okay, but like you like lobster.
That's not fish though. How many brothers and sisters do I have?
You have one brother and two sisters.
That's right. What are their names?
Lindsay, Autumn, and Matt.
Am I a morning person or a night person?
Night person. Brian is not a morning person. It's like pulling teeth trying to talk to him.
Yeah, if I was collecting anything, what would it be?
Well, you collect a lot of beer glasses and beer bottle openers. Cheers to that.
6:45 on Friday night.
It is 6:45 on Friday.
Want.
Those are my two best answers.
Yeah. Do we have a song? What is it?
Like, the only song that I can think of is like, not, like, I wouldn't want to call it our song, but like, I feel like it just kind of is.
What
You
is
know
it?
what I'm talking about?
What is it?
The Weezer version of
Africa by
Toto.
What's my weirdest habit?
You bite your nails, but that's not that weird. A lot of people do it. He flosses a lot. Like, he always has flossers in his car. Like, in his side pocket of his door. I'll be like, oh man, I have this stuck in my teeth. I'll be like, want a flosser?
You really just can't knock good oral hygiene, you know?
That's true.
What do you think I'm talented at?
You're talented at a lot of things. First of all, you're really good at selling cars. He's a really good car salesman. He's also a really good singer, even though he doesn't like to admit it. He can sing pretty well. And he's really good on the rock band drums.
Without looking, what color? Without looking, look away. What color are my eyes?
Your eyes like change color, but like they're pretty blue right now.
That's weird.
But like sometimes
they
they're
were
green.
I'm Netflix and chilling. What snack am I having?
Crackers and cottage cheese.
No.
He likes Cape Cod chips
No.
or beef jerky.
It's not my Netflix and chill food though.
I don't know what your Netflix and chill food is.
Ben and Jerry's. I'll demolish a pint.
Does that even count? That's
Yeah.
a dessert. That's not a snack.
No, that's a snack for me. Where was I born?
I know you were born in Alaska. I forget the name of the town. Flag.
No.
It's not Flag. Fair. No, Fair. Fair town. Fairstown. Fair. I don't know.
Fairbanks.
Fairbanks.
If I was any animal, what animal would I be?
A penguin.
Yeah, probably.
Brian loves penguins.
You're baking me a cake for my birthday. What kind of cake is it?
German chocolate cake.
Yeah, probably. Or just triple chocolate cake.
Yeah,
or
just
any
like
sort
really
of
chocolate
cake. What could I spend hours doing?
Playing RuneScape. And he
Absolutely.
has.
Alright, last one. What's your favorite thing about me?
It's a tough one. I think my favorite thing about you is just how sweet you are.
That's cute.
Very sweet. And that's the girlfriend tag. So to microwave this frozen asparagus, I literally just put it in this big Tupperware that's from the UNH dining halls. and put like a tablespoon or two of water in it. And then you just put it in the microwave for like 4 minutes and it's done. Everything's all done and it looks so good. Can't wait to eat, right, Brian?
Right.
All right, time for the taste test. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I had a little bite already, it's really good. I got asparagus and chicken and Prosecco. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!